What is null safety in Kotlin? To get that frustrating null pointer exception and spend hours debugging? What if you could avoid this entirely? Stick around to learn about Kotlin's revolutionary null safety features that will save you time and headaches. I invested days testing and researching this core Kotlin advantage that improves reliability and prevents bugs you don't want to miss. I used to grapple with null pointer exceptions in Java. I embarked on this journey as an aspiring programmer, diving into the vast realm of software development, unbridled enthusiasm. However, the treacherous null pointer exceptions presented themselves as the formidable adversary in my quest for coding mastery. My once shiny enthusiasm began to wane, replaced with frustration and bewilderment as these exceptions lurked around every corner, waiting to pounce on my meticulously crafted code. My perseverance and determination led me to the discovery of Kotlin, a modern programming language renowned for its null safety capabilities. As I delved deeper into the realm of Kotlin, a newfound hope blossomed within me. Null safety features of Kotlin became my trusty weapon in this battle against the null pointer exceptions that had plagued me for so long. Each line of code written in Kotlin, I found solace in the knowledge that the null safety features were there to shield me from the crippling effects of null pointer exceptions. Riding the waves of triumph, I harnessed power of Kotlin's null safety to transform my coding experience. Long gone were the days of endlessly troubleshooting null pointer exceptions. Kotlin's robust null safety capabilities ushered in a new era of productivity and confidence in my programming endeavors. The once daunting null pointer exceptions now seem like a distant memory as I reveled in the seamless, error-free code crafted Kotlin. Join in as I unraveled the mysteries of null safety in Kotlin and empowered fellow programmers to break free from the shackles of null pointer exceptions once and for all. One major advantage Kotlin has over Java is its handling of null values. In Java, null references are a huge source of errors and bugs because Java allows variables to be null. Attempting to access a null reference in Java results in a null pointer exception at runtime. This will crash your app and can be very difficult to debug. Please subscribe to the channel if you are finding value in this video. Kotlin takes a different approach. This allows variables from being null by default. If you want a variable to allow null, you have to explicitly declare it. Here's an example of a non-nullable by default. Var name string equals John is another example of an explicitly nullable variable. Var middle name string question mark equals null. With this approach, the Kotlin compiler prevents you from trying to access a nullable variable directly without checking null first. This saves you from encountering those pesky null pointer exceptions at runtime. Kotlin also provides useful operators for dealing with null safety, like question mark, full stop, question mark colon, to gracefully handle null scenarios. Overall, Kotlin's null safety prevents entire classes of errors that are common in Java. In this video, we discussed how Kotlin's null safety feature solved Java's null pointer exception problems. However, in order to further understand the history of how Kotlin improves upon Java, we have to check out this video.